Hi there, and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up the theme, logo, and banner for your booking engine page. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Bookingjini channel manager. From the left-hand menu, click on Booking Engine. Next, go to Basic Setup. Now, on this page, you'll see the option to change the theme color. Click on the theme color bar and choose the color you'd like to apply. For this tutorial, I'm setting it to blue. Once you've picked your color, just hit Save to apply the changes. Here's how it looks after updating the theme color. Nice and clean. Now let's move on to the logo. You can upload your logo directly from the logo section, and just right to that, you'll find the banner section. This is where you can upload your banner image. After uploading both, click on the Upload button to save them. And that's it. You've successfully set up the theme, logo, and banner for your booking engine page. If you run into any issues or need help, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching.